Hello, hi guys. Hello, fifth grade. I hope you guys doing good so far. And thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to explain a little bit what you need to do for this week. And we're going to talk a little bit about comparatives and superlatives. And you need to go in your English book on page 211, 211, 211. And let's speak a little bit about comparatives. Comparing two things, that means comparatives, okay? If you see the example right here, it says the desert is hotter than the Arctic. The desert is more dangerous than the plains. So we use comparatives, we use er or more, and superlative est and must. If you see right here, comparing one to all, that means superlatives. Comparing one to all, to more than two. Okay, the ocean is the largest habitat in the world. The rainforest is the most beautiful place of all. And if you see right here, we have a list of words with the comparative and superlatives. This part right here, it is the superlatives. I'm sorry, comparatives and superlatives. If you see the est at the end, est, must, we use must for superlatives, and comparative more, okay? More beautiful, because beautiful is more than one syllable, so we need to use more. And because this one beautiful in superlatives, it's more than two syllable, so we use must. And if you see it right here, so let's watch a short video about superlatives and comparatives.
And superlatives. Comparatives compare two things. Cristiano is taller than Messi. Messi is shorter than Cristiano. Cristiano is older than Messi. Messi is younger than Cristiano. Pep is happier than Jose. Jose is angrier. Pep is friendlier than Jose. Jose is crazier than Pep. Tennis is more interesting than golf. Golf is more boring than tennis. Boxing is more aggressive than swimming. Swimming is less dangerous than boxing. At football, Brazil is better than America. America is worse than Brazil. At basketball, America is better than Brazil. Brazil is worse than America. Superlatives compare one thing to many others. Who is the tallest? Cristiano is the tallest. Who is the youngest? Messi is the youngest. Who is the happiest? Cholo is the happiest. Who is the craziest? Jose is the craziest. Which sport is the most aggressive? Boxing is the most aggressive. Which sport is the least dangerous? Swimming is the least dangerous. Who is the best football player? He is the best football player. Who is the worst basketball player? He is the worst. Tall, short, old, young, happy, angry, friendly, crazy, interesting, boring, aggressive, dangerous, good, bad. Comparatives and superlatives.
Okay, guys, so what do you guys need to do in this page on 211? You guys need to with the partner, but in this case, you need to do alone. Talk and compare the habitats, write sentences, use the words in the word bank. So you need to use these words, the comparative or superlatives, and compare these things, okay? And write sentences in these lines, okay? So you need to write at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sentences you need to write in this on this page. And also you need to go on page 230, and please go on this page on page 230. Okay, so comparative and superlatives. You see the example right here. The Empire State Building is taller than the State of Liberty. New York City is more populated than New Jersey. Julian Flower is the smartest than students in my whole class. My sister is the most careful person in my family. So look at the pictures. You need to look at these pictures and compare these habitats by writing comparative and superlative sentences. Also, you need to write sentences. Right here is the first example. Hot, the desert is hotter than the Arctic. So you need to compare and superlative, use comparative and superlatives, and use those ones right here. And please fill these lines and write sentences using comparing these pictures, okay? The rainforest, there's desert and Arctic, okay? And also you guys need Okay, so right now we're going to speak a little bit about the grammar expressing that something is happening now. What does that mean? The present progressive tense, okay? And when we are talking about present progressive tense, we need to use the verb to be, which is our plus verb plus ing. We say I am playing, I am using the verb to be. He is playing, for example, and then if you see right here, it says pollution is causing the earth weather to change. People are producing people are producing, we're talking about the people are producing tons of garbage. And if you see right here, it says the formula, it says subject plus is are plus verb plus ing. That is the present progressive. So let's watch a short video about this one, but before, let's see. With a partner, it says with a partner, but in this case you need to do it alone. Talk about what is happening in each of the pictures. Use the word bank. Follow the model. So the model is right here. The cars are polluting the air. The car.
This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Lucia.
And I'm Kave. What are we doing today again?
Today we are going to go over the present progressive tense. The present progressive tense expresses actions that are unfinished or in progress.
You form the present progressive tense by using am, is, or are, followed by an ing verb.
Kame, I'm sorry to go off topic, but did you know it's snowing outside?
Seriously?
No way. I think it's raining now.
Wait, what?
I'm starting school today.
Ah, I know what you're doing. You're giving present progressive examples.
Yep. And let's look at them again.
It is snowing outside. It is raining. I am starting school today.
Just remember that stative verbs cannot be used in the progressive tense. Stative verbs describe a state of being or situation that does not change. You wouldn't say, I am knowing you. You would say, I know you.
You can also use the present progressive with always to say that something disturbs you.
Well, my roommate is always watching TV at night when I'm trying to sleep.
Does that drive you crazy?
Often, yes, but you know what's driving me crazy? Learning about present progressive tenses. And that's
Okay, guys, so on page 214, you need to see this one right here. It says expressing something, it happened, present progressive, like I said, and it says with a partner, but in this case, you're going to do it alone. Write sentences about what is happening in your classroom at the moment. Use the models. So if you see right here, I am learning English. If you're doing learning English, so that means present progressive. We are speaking English, so that means present progressive because we see the verb to be plus ing form with the verb, and my partner is working with me. So okay, so you need to write only 3 sentences. Use these words right here in the word bank, right there, and then please take a look this one. And also you need to go on page 231. Okay, so please go on page 231 too. And okay, so in this page 231, what do you need to do in this page? On this page, so it says complete the sentences. If you see right here, you can read it. Present progressive tense, action happening now. The verb to be am, is, are plus verb ing. The sun is shining. You see right here. They are not listening to the teacher. Might and might, possible action in the future. So she might be later if it continues raining. Might or might plus verb. I feel sick, so I might go to work. I might not go to work tomorrow. Complete the sentences. So in this part, you need to complete these sentences with the verbs in parentheses. So these ones, you need to complete them. Remember, you need to use ing form. And you have the first example. Hurry up, the boss is coming. So this it comes to ing. You add ing form. So my neighbors, so what do you think? And you need to use the ing, okay? And write sentences using my or my. Okay, the first one, it says, I am taking my umbrella, it might rain. I'm taking my umbrella, it might rain. So John is calling the doctor, he might be sick, so I don't know. So you need to complete this one using my or might, okay? So that's all, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video, and then you can watch several times if you guys want, and thanks a lot, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.